How to view images of clear checks in Ally Bank online banking. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, do you need to see a copy of a check you wrote? Well, here is how to view clear check images in Ally Bank on desktop. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, then you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Ally Bank. And now here, from the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Ally Bank. Now here you simply have to log in using your credentials and once logged in, you simply have to select the checking account where the check was written to open your transaction history. So from there, you can scroll through your transactions or use the search bar to find the clear check you want to review and then click the transactions, and if it's clear check, you'll see a link or icon to view a check image. So simply select it to open a digital copy showing both the front and back of the clear check, and you can save or print the image for your records directly from the viewer. And that's it. That's how you can view images of clear checks in Ally Bank online. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.